Hello, my name is Peter and this is German style cooking. Today I'll show you how easy it is to prepare these crusty pork roast with sauerkraut and potatoes. We need a pork roast with its skin on, sauerkraut, salt, laurel leaves, juniper berries and potatoes. Last but not least, 1 pint of Weissbier. For the perfect crust we first have to cut the skin. You can do this either in squares or rhombus. With your first cuts in longitudinal direction, you determine the later size of the slices. As you can see here, I choose the rhombus as it just looks better in my opinion. Once finished with pre-cutting the skin, we have to rub it with salt. We use a huge amount of salt here. We have to completely fill all our cups and cover the whole roast with salt. Don't worry, we will remove it later. It's just to make the crust nice and crispy. Next we need an oven-proof vessel in which we put our sauerkraut. We add our juniper berries, the laurel leaves, and pour our beer on top. We place our oven grate on our sauerkraut and put our roast and our potatoes on top. And believe it or not, we are already done. Now we put our tray in the oven, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours in the oven, it's time to remove our salt crust. While we remove the salt, we preheat our oven to 480 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever is the maximum of your oven. For the final stage, we drop our potatoes to the sauerkraut and place our now salt-free roast back on top. Now our tray goes back to the oven. In this final stage we just crisp up the crust. This will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the maximum heat of your oven. And here we are, a super crispy pork roast. Let's just cut a slice off and see how it looks from the inside. Very juicy and super crispy on the outside. Let's try it and see if you can hear how crunchy it is.